Now I am going to revise the previous portion. Previous portion, sources of food. Already you have learned for the growth and the functions of food. Functions of food. What is the meaning of functions of food? Mean growth, development, produce energy and repair the tissues. Okay. Next you learn from the variety of food. Next the animals food habits. Okay. Animals food habits. Animal food habits for herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and scavenger parasites. Okay, you already learn it. Okay, first one herbivorous is the plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Cow, goat, buffalo are plant eating animals. Next, plant eating animals are two types, grasses and browsers. Grasses are only eat on the small grass. Okay, example for rabbit, cow. Okay, next browsers are we eat on the stem, leaves and things. Example for the elephant and rhino. Next you learn for the scavengers. Scavengers are the eat on the only omnivorous, carnivorous, dead animals. Dead animals of carnivorous and omnivorous animals are called scavenger. Scavengers are keep the surroundings clean in the dead animals. Next one parasite. Parasites are ectoparasite and endoparasite. Today we are going to learn about the lesson plant as sources of food. Plants as a main sources of food for animals and humans. Main plants as main sources of food for animals and humans. Animals and humans. Plants are producer. Plants are producer. It can be make the food, prepare the food, won't prepare the food. Sorry. It can be won't prepare the food. Next one, animals are called consumer. Consumers. Plants are called producer, animals are called consumer. Plants prepare their food from plant Plant prepare their food from sunlight, water, minerals, carbon dioxide CO2 and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means green leaves. Only green leaves only prepare the food. The mushroom is not have a green leaves. It is an edible fungi. Okay. Now only I will teach the process of photosynthesis. Process of photosynthesis. First you draw one diagram. To absorb the water from the water and minerals from the leaves. Sunlight, the sunlight fall in the green leaves. Green leaves. Next, first of all sunlight. Next one minerals. Come to the minerals, absorb the minerals and water. First take the gas from the CO2 for taking the prepare the photosynthesis. CO2. These gases are CO2. Release the O2. Plants are prepare the food for, you use the gas is CO2, carbon dioxide. Release the O2. The human beings and animals are breathing in the oxygen gas. Okay. Next one. Some plants are store the food from the edible parts. Some plants are store the food from the edible parts. The different parts of the edible parts are the roots, the leaves, the stem, the flower, the seed. First of all, let us learn some edible parts of the plant. Food from plants. Food from plants. Food, next one, pods. Food from plants and pods. First one, the stem region, which are storage of food from the plants in stem region. First one, potato, tapioca, ginger, turmeric. The parts of the storage part is stem region. Potato, tapioca, ginger and turmeric are the storage, the part is stem region. Next one, it is store the food in the root region. Root. Only the beetroot and carrot are grow in the root. Next one, flower. Banana flower, cauliflower. Is the edible part is flour. Banana flour is the edible part is all parties have a edible part. For the example for flour, next stem region and fruit are the edible part of the banana. Okay, next one, fruits. Guava, mango, are the etc. are the fruits. Only the edible part is fruits. Next one, the edible part of the lady's finger and drumstick. Lady's finger and drumstick are unripe fruits. Unripe fruits. Unripe fruits meaning அது பழுக்காத பழம். பழுக்காது ஆனா வந்து நல்ல இதாகி காஞ்சு இது டிஸ்பாசல் ஆகுது. அது அதான் வந்து அதை என்ன சொல்றோம், லேடிஸ் ஃபிங்கர் அண்ட் ட்ரம்ஸ்டிக் ஆர் அன்ரைப் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், சீட்ஸ். wheat, rice, maize. Seed. It is the wheat, maize, rice are seed. It is the edible part of the plant. Okay, the storage the food from the plants from stem region, root region. Example for stem region, potato, ginger, turmeric. Okay, in the next one, the root region for beetroot, carrot, flower, cauliflower, banana flower. Next one, unripe fruits are lady's finger, drumstick. Seeds are wheat, rice, maize. Spices mean narumana பொருட்கள். Spices. Okay, spices. Your mother had prepared the food for adding the spices. Example for the spices are cinnamon, cardamom, clove, saffron, coriander, saffron, coriander, pepper, fenugreek, many spices are have. First, cinnamon meaning patta. It is come from the edible part says bark of tree. Bark of the tree for cinnamon. Cardamom, yalaka. Next, clove is the edible part of the flower. Buds. Flowers, buds. Edible part. Saffron is the edible part is flower. Saffron, kungumappu. Saffron is the edible part is flower. Coriander, all or no? Malli. It is the spices for the spices. Sorry ma, spices. Next, pepper. Pepper is the edible part is fruit. Edible part is fruit. Fenugreek, vendayam. Okay, these are the spices. Next, you learn about from the animal as sources. Animal as sources of food. Animal as sources of food. We get animals from milk, egg, next meat, honey, etc. The animals are, we get, first one, we get animals from the following food. We get milk from cow, goat, buffalo. Buffalo, it is gives us milk. Milk is used to making paneer, ghee, paneer. Okay. Next one, duck, hens are gives us egg. Gives us egg. Meat is obtained from the cow, goat and pig. Okay, cow living things are interdependent upon the interdependent for food. Interdependent. Interdependent for food. For example, plants eaten by zebra, zebra eaten by lion. Plants are prepare their own food. All herbivorous animals are eaten by plants. Eaten by plants. So the food chain starts with plants. So the food chains start with the plants. Okay, children. One more revise the food chain. All the living things are interdependent upon interdependent for food. All the living things are interdependent for food. Example, plants eaten zebra, zebra eaten lions. Plants are prepare their own food, animals are consumers. All the food chains are start with plants. Okay, children. Thank you.